purpose of this project is to design and create a persistence of vision display. A persistence of vision is the phenomena in which the human eye perceives an after image for a brief amount of time. We demonstrate this by spinning a one-dimensional column of LEDs through a motor at such a high frequency that a two-dimensional image is visible. The rotation of the LEDs is fast enough such that the human eye perceives a two-dimensional image. We will talk about the code. The code basically consists of 26 arrays, each representing a letter in the alphabet, and we have a loop that keeps looping on the sentence that we input and keeps displaying the sentence through the LEDs. We have a method that, given a certain character, displays this character. We will talk about this later.
Basically, after Zamzami gave an overview about the code, I will tackle the representing of the letters. In the beginning, we thought about presenting the letters as 2D arrays. However, we found that dealing with 2D arrays in C was not an easy job. So we decided to fake 2D arrays into 1D arrays. How? We started reflecting or translating the 2D arrays 8x8 into 1D array that's also an 8x8. So we have 64 bits to represent each letter. Since we have 26 letters, so we have 26 1D arrays 8x8. Ones for the positions that will light and zeros for the positions that will not light. So basically we have 8 loops in the loops part. Each loop loops on one column, so 8 loops on 8 columns and lights the characters that will light, either 0 or 1.
In the project, we use a driller as we couldn't find a motor that can supply enough RPM so the board can rotate with enough speed. Moreover, the driller can withstand the weight of the board. As we can see here on the board, we have a battery, a 9-volt battery that supplies the power to the project. The positive of the battery is connected to the VN, while the negative of the battery is connected to the ground.
As discussed by my fellow team members before, our persistence of vision project contains mainly of this Arduino Uno and this module. This module is an 8-LED module. This supports 8 LEDs and 12 output ports. These ports are connected to the Arduino. 3 represent values of the R, G, and B, and 8 represent the 8 LEDs, and this one is for voltage. The voltage cable is connected here in the 5-volt port in the Arduino. This module, through these cables, receives values to turn these LEDs on and off. The value low or 0 turns them on, and the value high or 1 turns them off. And if we connect the battery to the Arduino through VN here, they start turning on and off according to the code. And this driller is our motor. If we start it here, we can start seeing the resistance of the driller.